Hello everyone, welcome to a country very popular for tourism, culture, and its history. These are all terms known when Croatia is mentioned. However, have you ever wondered what all the inventions were made in it? Welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about inventions in Croatia. Relax again, and enjoy. Stay curious. We all know who Nikola Tesla is, electricity and those things, but today we will talk about other also useful things that you may not have known were invented in Croatia. First of all, I was the first to ask myself, how did the need for the first tie arise? I mean, yeah, it's okay, it looks nice. But who came up with the idea of wearing a piece of cloth around his neck? And yes, you guessed it. The first tie was made in Croatia. Most historians agree that the necktie originated in the 17th century, during the 30-year War in France. King Louis XIII hired Croatian mercenaries who wore a piece of cloth around their neck as part of their uniform. Neckties do serve a function. They were used to tie the top of their jackets. Time passed and the tie became a fashion detail. Another war story. It originated in Croatia, more precisely in the city of Rijeka. In the 19th century, the first torpedo was built there. The torpedo's shape and structure as we know it today was invented by the officer of the Austro-Hungarian Navy, the Croat Ivan Blas Lupus Vukic, in 1860, calling him the savior of the coast. But one of the very important things today, something that reveals your identity. Your fingerprint. Well, the Croats did not invent the fingerprint. Ivan Vucetic was the first to realize that every man has his own unique fingerprint. So, guess what's next? Psychology. It was created by Marko Marulic, who described it as the science of the soul. In addition, Marko Marulic was a very influential writer. April 22nd is marked as Croatian Book Day in memory of Marko Marulic. And all those parachute falls, they are grateful to one man. Of course the man is from Croatia. His name was Faust Vrancic. He worked out rough sketches of Da Vinci's parachute. But trust me, this guy has more inventions than you think. But let's go a little further. Let's see what the Croats have achieved in recent times. So trust me, a lot. A lot, but too little time. So I'll just mention one at the end. From the Croatian road, a beast that does not compare with others. Croats have their own car, and it is a car that is not underestimated at all. Rimac Nuvira. And thank you again for following my channel. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.